All right, so here we go. We're going to need to fold the tail in, and the tail gets folded inside, not outside. So we crease here to help with the fold, but we don't crease and then try to fold it up this way. To make sure that we get the right fold, we need to look on this side of the boat. I might get someone to stand over there for me to keep the boat from moving. And basically we find that corner point and make a mark. We know we're going up to this corner. Grab a meter stick, line it up, and then draw your line so you know where to crease from. Thank you. So you know where to crease from. And then you grab one of the things that you crease with and you just crease all the way down that line. All the way down. And that's going to allow us to fold this in because we need to have it to fold in. Now when you do this, I want you to notice that I have that side down. When you're doing a side, you have to have the opposite side down or it's not going to work. So when we go through to fold this in, we just want this whole back to rise up. It's always good if you have somebody to help you lift that back side up. Okay, so now we have it open. We need to crease this side. We want to make sure if there's any tab here that we've creased it really well. Sometimes it's good to go ahead and get a knife and just cut through this first layer before you actually do the creasing. But you want to make sure that you crease this pretty well. But again, the fold is going in. And the biggest issue is so much cardboard here, sometimes that fold gets hard to make. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and fold this up. If I can have somebody help on that end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be pushing from this side and try to push this piece in while she brings that up. And notice how it folds in, just like that. And we bring it all the way up. And there we go. Tail is up and ready to go. Guys, if you'll grab that side, we're going to go ahead and fold both sides up. Grab that side, push that piece in, push it in, push it in. There we go. And then this will fold over, and then as we trim it, we can actually fold it down. We can actually fold it down, and now we have our back end on. All right, that's how you put your tail on.
Do you need help?
I need to keep it in place.